A headlight is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Just having the brightest LED headlights isn't the only thing you need to worry about. There's the color temperature, the fitting, the different types of headlights you can buy, and a range of other considerations to make. Choosing the right headlight bulbs can be very simple, but selecting an appropriate one is always very tricky. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Hikari Ultra H11 has an incredibly slim profile of 0.8 millimeters, same as the filament of a halogen lamp. It closely resembles the footprint of a traditional halogen bulb for a precise beam pattern and paralleled light output. Also, the ultra-thin heatsink improves light utilization and solves the problem of astigmatism. Besides, it features super high-quality LED chips from the ZES family. Moreover, it offers a flux rating of 4,800 lumens per bulb and outputs white and crystal bright 6,000 light and produces a maximum of 2,548 lumens per LED. On the other hand, these light bulbs are brilliant and are capable of outputting a very controlled beam of light. The Beamtech H11 has an aviation aluminum casing, better heat dissipation, which is far less than halogen lamp and HID lights. This significantly prolongs the service life of lamps and lanterns. It comes with an 8,000 lumens output and a super bright output of 4,000 lumens per light for safe driving at night. Also, the power of each lamp is only 25 watts and has a waterproof driver with connectors at the level of IP65. Besides, it has a small strip of the light-emitting surface close to the halogen design rather than other products' circular surface emitting. Moreover, the lamp low heat feature extends and considerably prolongs the service life of the bulbs. On the other hand, it is bright enough as you would have expected using 6,500K xenon white color, which is far more intelligent than HID lamps and halogen lamps. Another advantage is that you get great visibility on the road either at night or during bad weather. The C-Light LED headlight is equipped with aviation-grade aluminum construction that ensures it uses no breakable bulbs, fragile filaments, or sensitive electrodes. It comes with up to a 4 times longer lifetime than your standard halogen lamp. Also, it is a perfect choice for trucks that travel roads with bumps, curves, and potholes. Besides, with LED technology, lights can emit the same amount of light while consuming less power and providing excellent performance when it comes to being waterproof and dustproof. Moreover, it is a really well-designed LED headlight that will meet all on-road regulations, eliminate glare from oncoming traffic, and have a beam pattern that puts the light exactly where you need it most. Holding the first place among the list of best LED headlights we have, Cougar Motor H1. It offers full aluminum housing, 7,000 RPM powerful turbo-cool fan to ensure that your LED headlight bulbs shine for over 50,000 hours of brilliant continuous light. It uses the latest technology to provide a perfect beam pattern without any dark spots or gray light. These bulbs are CAN bus ready and will work with most vehicles' computer systems without error. Also, they last more than 50,000 hours and also work underwater. The rainproof driver, housing, and fan work even in extreme situations. Besides, it uses cool white 6,000K and high luminous efficacy flux up to 7,200 lumens per pair, which is 200% brighter than your stock halogen headlights. Another advantage is that it is equipped with arc beam technology to ensure a perfect beam pattern without any dark spots or foggy light. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to appreciate our work by hitting the like button. If you would like to see more from us in the future, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and bell icons.